In this video, I will show how to add 3D flipbook in your WordPress website. So guys, if you want to add 3D PDF flipbook, so search this plugin 3D flipbook, install and activate. This is a very famous and easy to use plugin. Using this plugin, you can add and embed easily PDF files, and you can share your viewers. 3D Flipbook is PDF viewer, allows to browse images, PDFs or HTMLs as a flipbook. 3D Flipbook attract user attention and makes more impression on him. So give a try to this plugin. Hopefully guys you like this video and share your experience with this plugin. And also guys comment if you want to learn how to use this plugin if you are facing any problem or error. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.